Enhance your home with stylish decor from ShopDecorDeals. Top deals on furniture, accessories, and more. Transform your space with our curated collections of high-quality, hand-picked items that reflect your unique style and personality. Our mission is simple: to help you create a space that reflects your style and personality without breaking the bank. Explore our categories and enjoy today's exclusive deals. Artificial plants. Add a touch of greenery to your space with our lifelike artificial plants. Decor. Find unique decor pieces that reflect your style. Furniture. Discover stylish and functional furniture for every room. Fragrances. Enhance your home's ambience with our selection of fragrances. Lighting. Brighten up your space with our modern lighting options. Slipcovers. Refresh your furniture with our chic slipcovers. Smart home. Upgrade your home with the latest smart home technology. Organization. Keep your home tidy with our organization solutions. Vases. Add elegance to any room with our beautiful vases. Take advantage of our today's specials and exclusive deals. These hand-picked items are available at unbeatable prices, so you can update your home decor without overspending. Transform your home today with stylish decor and unbeatable deals from ShopDecorDeals.com. Your dream home is just a click away.